Of Allstate customers across California are about to pay even more. The insurer got the green light for the largest rate increase of any insurer in the past 3 years. Liz Gonzalez breaks down how much more homeowners will be paying and what consumer advocates say we should all be doing about it.
After months of dropping customers, some home insurers in California are now agreeing to write more high-risk policies. But that's in exchange for rate increases. The most recent, Allstate, whose rates will go up by an average of 34% starting in November.
We have seen some unexpected cost pressures over the last few years. We've all seen it in the grocery store with inflation, higher costs of goods, higher cost of transportation and labor. And unfortunately, that ends up being reflected in our home insurance costs.
Carmen Balber represents Consumer Watchdog, which the state insurance commissioner's office says participated in the process and agreed to the rate increase. But her organization is taking issue with the lack of transparency on determining those rates.
Some homeowners will actually be seeing a little bit of a decrease, while others are seeing massive rate hikes. And the insurance company and their private modeling firm would not let us look inside the algorithms that made the decisions about who pays more and who pays less. That means we have no way to verify.
For example, Allstate's 346 customers in Madera's 93637 zip code will see rates rise just shy of 25%. The 266 customers in the 93635 zip code in Merced are looking at a nearly 23% increase. Compare that to the 28 customers in Friant, who are looking at an average of 167% higher rates, 146% higher in Shaver Lake, and rates will more than double, 108% in Springville's 93625 zip code. The Insurance Commissioner's Office is holding a virtual meeting September 17th about regulating the models used to determine those insurance rates. That meeting is open to the public online. Until then, people can provide their input. We provided an email address at kmph.com. Liz Gonzalez, Fox 26 News.
Balber says insurance companies could file for another rate increase after January 1st of next year, but it could take another 2 years before we know whether they're actually holding up their end of the bargain, selling more policies. Allstate isn't the only one looking for higher rates either. Earlier this summer, State Farm filed a request to raise rates by 30% for homeowners and 52% for renters. It listed climate risks and concerns over wildfires in its request. That plan has not been approved as yet. Meanwhile, auto insurance rates in the state are also up. A new study by the Los Angeles Times finding the annual price of full coverage will cost you nearly 30% more than it did last year. Hi, I'm Monty Torres with Fox 26 News on YouTube. Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel, where we have loads of great content for you to choose from. And while you're here, why not click on the subscribe button right here? That way you can stay in touch with all the latest breaking news, everything news related within the Central Valley. And thank you for watching.